Hello, you want to become a U.S. citizen. Today in this video, I'm going to answer the top 5 questions I hear from my clients before they apply for U.S. citizenship. First question everyone asks, how long will my case take? How long will it take your team at Cambridge Immigration Law to prepare my case? And how long will it take the government to approve my case? Well, the answer is it depends. First, at our office, we can work within a matter of weeks. We can work generally as fast as our clients need us to. In terms of the government, that depends on where your case will be heard, meaning which government office will have your case. Here in the Boston area, where most of our clients are located, the case will take about 6 months, meaning from the day you file until you have your interview, it will be about 6 months. It could be more, 7, 8 months wouldn't surprise me. However, it's also not going to surprise me to see the processing times improve, meaning 3, 4, 5 months until you get your US citizenship. That was the processing time before COVID. USCIS is still working back to a norm. We still don't know what that is. So right now you should work on 6 to 7, 8, 9 months as the processing time for the citizenship application. Question 2, when will I get my US passport? Well, the US passport application is a separate process from your citizenship application. You cannot apply in most cases for your US passport until you have a citizenship application filed and a citizenship interview and an oath ceremony. Once you do file for your passport after you've done those other things, you can request that the US passport agency expedite your case, meaning they work faster on getting you a passport. The processing times are quite variable right now, but most of my clients who go through the citizenship process, have their oath ceremony, become citizens, and file for US passports with an expedite request, most of them are getting their US passports in about a month from the date of submission of the US passport application. Number 3, what does my application need to look like to get approved? Well, here at Cambridge Immigration Law, we'll give you step-by-step instructions about what you need to give us for us to prepare your application. In some cases, we just need some forms and some tax documents and ID documents. In other cases, such as the marriage-based citizenship applications, we need a lot more documentation about your life and your relationship. So every case will have a different set of documents, and here at Cambridge Immigration Law, we'll help you figure out what you need for your case to be approved. Question 4. What do I need to know to become a US citizen? Well, that question goes to the civics exam and the English exam that you will have to pass to become a US citizen. There are some exceptions to that rule based on medical issues or age, and I can talk to you about whether you fit into those exceptions. But generally speaking, you're going to study for the civics exam and the English test, and you'll be tested at the interview on those 2 topics. To find what to study, you go to uscis.gov/citizenship, and you look for the civics exam and the English test. Now it's confusing because there's an exam called the 2020 exam that's available for you to study, but actually you'll take the 2008 exam. So don't study the 2020 exam, study the 2008 exam. Question 5, can I apply for US citizenship if I have a criminal history or immigration law violations? The answer is it depends. Some criminal issues will make you ineligible forever for US citizenship. Some criminal issues are problematic, but we can still apply right now. Some criminal issues will phase out as being problematic as 3 and 5 years pass, depending on how you're applying for citizenship. Those are super important questions that must be discussed with an experienced immigration attorney. Likewise, if you have immigration law violations, some of them are no problem, but some of them make you permanently ineligible for citizenship. And some we just have to figure out, can you apply now or do you need to wait? No matter what the immigration law violations are, you need to talk to an experienced immigration attorney to help you figure out if you can apply and how you present your case. So you're eligible for US citizenship and you're ready to get started. Please schedule an appointment with Cambridge Immigration Law at the website below. We're so excited to hear from you and help you become a US citizen.